Welcome to Miami Swim Week 2025. My name is Axel Vazquez and I'm the beauty director for Miami Swim Week, the shows. And I'm gonna give you a behind the scenes of what's happening right now, right before the show. So come with me because you having an exclusive insight right now. So take a look, let's go. Let's just go around a little bit more and talk about makeup. So let's see who's the artist. They don't know I'm about to interview them, guys. So let's go and see who I'm going to interview. And I think I already know. So we have Ecuador, Miss Universe Ecuador, sitting in one of her chairs. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo te sientes? We can do this in Spanglish, whatever you like. I'm here for you. I was rooting for you during Miss Universe. And I think you placed, right? Didn't you?
Bueno, sí, yes I did. I can do both. I can speak English and Spanish. Puedo hablar los dos en español e inglés inmediatamente, pero yes, sí, clasifiqué al top 30.
¿Qué se siente eso? ¿Qué se siente eso? Porque yo he estado allí y siempre estoy aquí como detrás. I'm always backstage. So what does it feel for you guys? Because I'm always wondering, you guys are wearing high heels. You guys are waiting to be cold. And I will be I'm shaking right now, nervous because they just got me to do this. And I'm not even a professional doing this.
You're doing it great.
I don't even know. But I want to know, what are you thinking? What are your thoughts when you guys are standing right there waiting to be called?
So the first thought you were having, like, please say my name, please say my name, please say my name, please say Ecuador, please say Ecuador, or you're just like think Ecuador, 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 Ecuador. And then when you hear it,
you have a whole country.
I know, you're like, oh, it's like finally. And then when you don't hear it, you're like, smile, 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 smile. That's what I thought. I was like, okay, smile. Okay, smile. Like when I was not called for top 12 or I was not called to be Miss Universe. I was just like, okay, just smile. Everything's okay.
But it's a big accomplishment because after that, now you're at Miami Swim Week. You've been hosting the shows.
Yeah.
That's big. Not even Miss Universe is right now, so that is huge. So how does it feel to be here, backstage? What your experience has been like?
Well, it's amazing to be with people like you, people that are so nice, so friendly, so loving, so passionate about what they do. I think that's the most beautiful thing because, like, when you see people that are in their prime and doing what they love, they just shine.
Everything flows.
Yeah, it just shines.
Es la energía, como dijéramos en español, es la energía.
Totalmente, y la verdad es que se siente tan bello sentir personas que dan tanto amor. No, me encanta, y pues agradecida de tener esta oportunidad de seguir siendo Ecuador internacionalmente.
Me encanta. Bueno, muchas gracias. Thank you very much. So this is what's happening right now, you guys. And let me just do one more artist because we have done the models. And now let's pick an artist so they can tell us a little bit about the process. So, Ms. Wen, this is your time to shine. You have a minute to tell me what you're doing and what your experience has been like. And would you tell artists that are watching right now to apply? Would you recommend us to work for Miami Swim Week?
Sure. So the model that I have here, her name is Miss K. And what we're doing on her face, we're doing a pink eyeshadow. And we're using Axel foundation on her face.
Okay, shout out to Axel
Beauty foundation. We're doing Axel Beauty blush on her face. And we're giving her a nice golden radiant look.
Now, let's take you to the makeup. So now, every year we have about 50 to 100 and maybe sometimes 150 models per day. And we have 5 days to go through. So it's a lot of work and it's so important to, pick the right team. And that's what I come to play as a beauty director. So this year, I have 2 new members that are joining the team, and I want you to know what their experience has been like this last few days working at Miami Swim Week, the shows, and the pro team. So tell us your name, where are you from, and how are you feeling?
My name is Dreyer. I'm from Philly, and I'm feeling amazing. So blessed to be here. So grateful. Thank you, Axel.
No, you're welcome. So tell us what we're doing right now. Tell us a little bit about the process of how we're doing the hair for tonight.
So we're doing some fun, sexy, beachy waves. So while she's walking down the runway, it's blowing in the wind. And we're using some of our products here that was sponsored, and it's a heat protectant.
Yeah.
It's very, very lightweight. It gives a nice amount of shine, but it doesn't weigh the hair down, so I love it.
Tell us your name and what your experience has been like.
Hi, Axel.
How are
I'm
you?
Alicia. I came here from Baltimore, so
yes,
yeah,
DMV
very
representing
far.
in the house.
And it's been amazing so far. Everyone's so kind, the models, the other artists. It's amazing artists here. And again, we all came from all over, so
I love it. And this is really cool because I like to bring people from everywhere. When I'm selecting artists, I'm not just selecting artists from one area. I like to even internationally. So I'm going to take you from some people from Venezuela, from El Salvador, and just a little bit. So we'll speak a little bit of Spanish. But this is actually what happened right now backstage in Miami Swim Week the shows. So I'm going to translate a little bit if it's possible. Pero aquí tenemos a uno de nuestros artistas de Axel Makeup Academy. A ver, cuéntanos, porque a ti te pusimos un pequeño reto, ¿no?
Sí,
Cuéntanos de eso y quiero que toda la gente que está viendo pues lo sepa.
Sí, desde el primer día yo estaba súper nervioso porque es primer año que estoy en el show, entonces yo estaba a la expectativa de saber a quién va a ser la primera que voy a poner bella. Llegué al lobby como con una hora de anticipación y me lo encontré a usted en el lobby diciendo, Rafael, vas para arriba a una suite a arreglar a Miss USA, y yo quedé en shock. Tomé el elevador, estaba como temblando en el elevador, pero siempre confiando en el trabajo y en lo aprendido todos estos años, y hasta ahora la experiencia va súper bien, súper
So
bien.
Rafael, his first assignment was to do Miss USA. That was his first assignment. So I'm really happy because he's one of our former students, so I knew I could trust because I know how important this is for us. We've been working really, really hard to be here, and good job. You did amazing. I mean, she just posted us and did a collaboration, so good job. Thank you.